So hello everybody, we're gonna see today how to get clear with the droid. The droid will be able to stand above the door to to get rid of intruders. Yeah. So and the left arm will be provided with a 5 volts laser because I do not have powerful laser. The right arm, the flamethrower. You see, there the IC, the ultrasonic captor, yeah, will be used as a trigger. You know, you can trigger things with it. It can be used as a trigger. For example, in Arduino IDE, you can say you want the trigger to be triggered at a certain precise measure, you know. The length, yeah, the length van the thing, yeah. And in this case, I will not use it only to trigger RGB LED in the head, but you can replace it with what you want. Yeah, it can be magical powder or something else. Even for the arm, for the demonstration, we will only maybe I wanted to use these wonderful cylinders. You see, the double effect cylinder. Yeah, I have a bunch of them here. Yeah, the cylinder. You see, you can put some air here. It will make the cylinder go back, and yeah, yeah. This is parts for the future. This is the prototype. Yeah, and today we're gonna finish this thing. On banana. So yeah, we will use plug-in into the sector. The average electricity for this, but in the future we will put a powerful battery in the background. Yeah, there will be the battery which will provide 400 volts so that the cyborg can jump, and with the help of the cyborg I think we can make a great improvement to conquer to yeah to conquer the first the city, but then yeah. So yeah, first thing very important to do is the fact we have to put all the grounds together, the grounds from the LED and from the ultrasonic detector, and then you will have to plug all the wires uh, on this. Yeah, I chose a small nano because it was less expensive and smaller than the big Arduino Uno. Yeah, but the same, they are too powerful for the code actually. But when I will upgrade it later, it will be useful to trigger the magic powder. Yeah. What? Yeah. So well, the droid is almost done. So then you see how it works. There is a yeah. You see the laser dot. The laser dot. To aim, it comes. Yeah, it comes. You will see the dot. Yeah. so you can aim something with the dot. While we come closer, the flicker in the eye is the trigger, and when you come red, it means it's the trigger. You can trigger what you want. You go back and you see the flickering of the eye. I had to put inside of it, I had to add something to cool because it eats a lot. There is the flamethrower. This part is not finished. And as I had a bunch of cool LEDs, I added the LEDs so you can, it's RGB LED with a remote controller, so you can put the ambient you need. You see, because people, they will rather buy a lamp than anything else, because they are quite stupid. If you try to make a droid to fight, they will say no, you cannot, it's not very good. So this day I am very happy because you see the eye, it changes from red to it depends of the range you come closer to it. So the last step will be to fix the Arduino Nano, and the code I will put on the internet, on the link, the description in the video, so we can say the droid is complete. If you want for Christmas, you also can fade it. It's a Christmas droid, so there is a cool LED behind it. And the project is completely safe, and you will see how with the map function in Arduino you can perfectly adjust the trigger. You see the eye, it's flickering, you see? It's green, and the closer you get, it's getting more and more red, and under 50 centimeters, the red is the trigger. So the droid, I think it will be very helpful for the future, but I need to find a power source that is stronger.